Hey there, guys, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So I'm not even gonna hold you. It is 12:41 on September 3rd, and if you're a real subby, you know September 3rd is the real nigga holiday. Okay, it's my birthday. 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 It's my birthday, bitch. Okay, look, it's a real nigga holiday. Okay, I'm stirring my words a little bit because guess what? I'm a little bit tipsy. But yeah, my birthday right away because I'm stuck in Korea. You know what I'm saying? Probably shouldn't have got this drunk for this video because I wasn't planning on being drunk at all for this video. But then my best bitch came in here and was like, take a shot. And she, you know, take a shot, take a shot, take a shot, take a shot. And then I don't even know how many shots in. But like I said, it's my birthday. So I wanted to show you guys my birthday collection. Those of you who don't know, SweetsColourCollection, which is my brand. So I came out with a birthday collection. I have a highlighter palette, eyeshadow palette, 3 lip glosses, and I have 5 lash styles. So pretty much in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my palette and this makeup look I did. All SweetsColour's cosmetics, okay? SweetsColourCollection on the eyebrows, on the eyelashes, on the damn eyeshadow, on the highlight, on the lips. My lips are a little ashy right now, but I'm gonna put some more on. Hold on, don't worry about it. Hold on. Get my nude back popping. Hold on. And that's on period. My girl look a little ugly. I don't even know, y'all. I'm a little tipsy at this point. It's gonna make this video so much more fun. You know what I'm saying? I got the 30 inches right here. SweetsColourCollection. You know, I'm selling here too now. If you didn't know, now you know. Go follow me on my business page at SweetsColour Cosmetics. Actually, now it's SweetsColourCollection. I'm lying. SweetsColourCollection. But let me spit this gum out because. Alright, but yeah. So my hair is 30 inches straight, honey. SweetsColour collection, like I said. But yeah, pretty much I just want to show you guys the products and what I'm working with for my birthday collection. So I'm gonna start off with my lip glosses. So like I said, it came in a pack like this. It has my SweetsColour collection on it. If it focuses, I don't know what's focusing on my face. This is not my big camera, this is my vlog camera. It is a lip cream, so it's not really super glossy. It's more like, if you think, oh there we go, if you think about the NYX like buttercream lip glosses, that's what it's like. So it's like kind of thick. So I have 3 colors. So I have Naughty, which is like a mauve pink color. I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, we got the mauve pinky color. I think it's more, for me personally, I think it's for a lighter skin complexion than me. I personally don't like mauve on me. You know, it's not my cup of tea, but I feel like I tried it on with my somebody with a lighter skin complexion and it definitely looked popping on her. So yeah. And then we have Submissive, which is like a darker nude. I think it's the perfect nude for a darker skin complexion. Perfect. But I feel like my skin complexion can still wear it. It's just better for like a darker skin complexion. It's like the perfect nude for them. Let's watch that. That's called Submissive. Okay, Submissive is on period, bitch. And then I got Birthday Suit, which is like a pinky nude. It's not the perfect nude for our skin complexion, be my color, but it's like a pinky nude. But it'd probably be perfect for a lighter skin complexion. And there we go. It's kind of ugly. I swatched them kind of ugly, but I'm going to show y'all the 3 colors that I got. Here they go. Let me get my camera right. So yeah, so Birthday Suit, Submissive, and Naughty. And get into the nails, okay? Birthday Suit, Submissive, and Naughty, period. Okay, so that's my 3 lip gloss colors. I love them. I love them, love them, love them. I'm gonna show you the lash colors. I mean, lash style. So the style I have on right now, my box comes like this because you know we're sweet. So I got a little candy. I take you to the candy shop. Ooh, I'll let you lick the lollipop. Ooh, okay, okay. Okay. So I don't know the names by heart just yet, so I'm gonna tell you guys what the names are. Give me 1 second. So this one is called Obsession. It's Obsession. So the style I have on right now is called Obsession. So let me get real close and personal to the camera for y'all. Look at that. Dramatic, yes ma'am. And a lot of people have been commenting about my lashes, like, oh girl, the lashes though. They've been my lashes, I just haven't posted them yet. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, period, okay. So the next style is, what is this one? This one is Risque. Risque. All my names are like kind of sexy, like sexy feel. This is Risque. And focus on the camera. That's Risque. Okay. The next one is Kryptonite. Kryptonite, let me be your kryptonite. Why is it not focusing? See. You don't want me to be great. Come on, focus, focus. Okay, that's Kryptonite. Kryptonite, kryptonite, yeah. Kryptonite, kryptonite, yeah. This one is exotic. This is like the most dramatic one. Super freaking cute. It's called exotic. Exotic, 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 exotic. And this one is called Enticing. Enticing. Super freaking cute. Like, if you don't wear dramatic lashes, just what is you doing? Level up your lash life and shop with SweetsColourCollection, honey, cause we doing the damn thing, and that's that on that. Okay, okay. All right. Anyway, but then I got my highlighter palette. Hold on. Focus back on me. Come on, you can do it. All right. So then we have the X-rated highlighter palette. Okay. So it comes with 6 shades. And I'm wearing the pink one right now. I'm wearing this middle one right here, right now. So get into it, get into it, honey. Get into it. Get your X-rated highlighter palette. Okay. And then, oh, my hair got caught in that one. Then we have the eyeshadow palette. I did do this makeup look that I have on right now with the eyeshadow palette. Okay, get into it. I did this look with this palette, and yes ma'am, I did that. Okay, so this is gonna be the Color Your Aura palette. Color Your Aura. SweetsColour, Color Your Aura, period. Let's just start on that. And this is how the palette looks. Oh shit. So there's some mattes, there's some shimmers, there's some glitters. Yeah, let me get super close. Hold on, let me get it right, there we go. So matte shimmers and there's some glitters in there. So that is the birthday collection. Short and sweet, just like that. I don't have to over talk it. Y'all know how it's coming. I never do nothing half-ass. So if you want to support your girl, the link will be down in the description box or in the like the comment section. Make sure you guys support me. There's not many palettes. There's not a whole lot, you know what I'm saying? So get it fast, get it quick, get it in a hurry, because it's gonna get sold out just like that. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I just wanted to show you guys my birthday collection. I'm so excited. Like I said, I did get a little tipsy on accident. I didn't mean to, but it is my birthday, so one time for the birthday beat.